Hi, welcome. So I know many of you have a question that are business plans important, because it's a lengthy process and of course it's a boring process to write a 50 pages business plan. So is it important or not? So in today's video I'm going to clear that particular question, that it is important, if yes then why, and even if it's not important then why. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with this video. And hey guys, I am Shivam and you are watching Startup Works. Before understanding the importance of business plan, let's understand what business plan means. Business plan is a summarized yet a detailed report of what you are going to do with your startup, how you will market your startup, how you will grow your sales, what's your business plan. There's a whole lot of topic that is included in the business plan, that what you are going to do for the next 5 years or the next 10 years in your startup. Now let's talk about the importance of business plan. Now here comes the two basic scenarios that you need to understand for business plans. Now you can raise funds by two basic methods. One, which is investor, otherwise you have to go and approach for loans, secured or unsecured, from any bank, right? So now if I talk about investors, they get more than 1,000 emails that contains different ideas sent by different startup founders. Now if they sit and start reading 50 page or 40 page business plan, they will not be able to read every business plan ideas, and they will not be able to invest in your startup or any other startup. So what they prefer is like a short way of understanding the business that you are going to propose or the startup that you are going to talk about. So here comes the term pitch deck, which I am going to explain in any other videos, but in today you need to understand business plan is not at all suitable in case you are looking to raise funds from the investors. Now let's talk about bank loans. Now if you're thinking to get a bank loan, it gets further divided into two basic categories. One is secured loan, another one is unsecured loan. Let's talk about secured loan first. First of all, you need to have an asset to get a secured loan so that you can keep it as a mortgage. Now even if you have an asset, after keeping it, you need to submit your business plan. They will assess that business plan, that what is the risk of investing in your startup and what's the scope of getting the return that they have already invested in your startup. If they see that it's okay and your business is safe, it's sustainable, they will invest in you, they will give their capital in term of bank loan. And if this fails to see that you don't have a sustainable way of growth, your marketing technique is not good, your business plan or model is not sustainable, then they will not give you the business loan. Now let's talk about unsecured loans. If you think of planning an unsecured loan, there's a limit, and if you need more than prescribed limit, then you cannot get that unsecured loan because you don't have credibility. So in that scenario, you will not get a business loan. In short, if you're trying to raise funds from the investors, you need a pitch deck, not a business plan. Now if you're writing a business plan, stop it right now, start working on making a pitch deck. And if you don't know what pitch deck is, I will obviously make another video on pitch deck, because I need to do different case studies so that you can understand how actual pitch decks are created and how you can hold your investors while you are giving that particular pitch. And now if we're talking about bank loans, first of all, don't apply for bank loans because it's not healthy for startups. And yes, if you are applying for bank loans, then you need a business plan. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you have enjoyed today's video and learned from it and understood why business plan is important in case of bank loan and why it is not important in case of angel investors or venture capitalists. Now, my last video, solopreneur or entrepreneur, which one are you need to understand, was based on a request. So if you have any doubt, do text me or inbox me in my Instagram. Link is provided in the description box, or you can comment down. I will make a video on that particular topic as soon as I can. So I will see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to keep upgrading yourself, because if you're in the world of startup, you have to upgrade yourself every minute. And I will see you guys in the next video. Until next time, bye.